lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine, and today's gonna be a quick eye tutorial on this gorgeous look here that can be worn for Valentine's Day or any other occasion. So let's get started. I'll be using the Morphe 35B palette. This palette's absolutely beautiful, and for my transition shadow, I'll be taking the shade Beats Me. And I'll be using my MAC 217 brush and just patting it in the transition area. And then once I have the desired amount on my transition area, I'll be blending it out. And now I'm going to take this beautiful deep purple shadow. It's called Grape Pop, and I'm going to place it in my crease. And I'll be using my MAC 217 brush again. I do have a little brush cleaner. It's really handy to use. I should have shown it in the video, but it allows me to use one brush with many different shadows. I'm gonna be using one of my favorite products for my brow bone highlight. It's by MAC and it's their Melon Pigment. And the brush is an e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. To cut my crease, I'm going to be using Inglot Gel Eyeliner in shade number 94. It's one of my favorite products to use. And this brush is actually one that I picked up at Michael's. It's by Princeton and it's a number 8. And honestly, it works very, very well to cut the crease. You should try it. And because I have yummy lids, I have to take it up a little bit higher than usual. Or otherwise my cut crease is not going to show when I open my eyes. And now I'll take the shadow Lavender and place it right on top of the gel eyeliner. And this brush, I got it from Walmart. There's not even a name written on it. It's just a basic eyeshadow brush. I'm just going to deepen out my outer V a little bit using the shadow Grape Pop. Off camera, I'll be applying my favorite liquid liner by NYC. Sorry I didn't show you which lash glue this is, but it's by Dodo and it's the clear adhesive. It's perfect for adhering glitter. Now is my favorite part, the glitter. This glitter is called Purple Rain and it's by my company GlamourEyesByChar. If you don't know, I sell chunky glitters and they're so beautiful. I'm not just saying that because it's mine. So I'm just going to take a little bit and pack it on the center of my lids, and this brush I'm using is by Mobilia, so just take your time and just apply it gently. I'll be applying my lashes off camera. To line my waterline and lower lash line, I'm using Sephora Collection Contour Eye Pencil. Just gonna add a touch of the Grape Pop shadow and place it on my lower lash line, and I'm using a pencil brush. I'll be back with the finished look. So that's everything to my eye tutorial. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I'll definitely answer them for you. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this gorgeous look. Appreciate you lovelies watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!